Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we are going to be looking at alpinestars SMX Air version 2 class. They're made for motorbike, of course, but I bought them for electric unicycle. First things first, I'm not sponsored by anyone doing this. I'm just giving you my humble opinion on it, you know. So I just got these gloves in the mail yesterday, and I did wear them for maybe 2 hours, I don't know. Before I got them, I was wearing these. These are also alpinestars SMX Z dry star gloves. They're for rainy periods of the year and etc. You know, but they are not breathable at all. I mean, you will sweat in them like crazy compared to these gloves. The biggest factor is airflow on these gloves. You know, like I said, I was wearing them for 2 hours maybe, and it just felt amazing, absolutely, compared to these old gloves. They are not that, you know, they're not that thick like this one, and I don't really feel. I feel safe in them, you know, but not as safe as wearing these gloves, especially because of this, you know. When you go down, this is probably the first part of your hand that's gonna hit the ground, you know, and they don't have that much. This is not thick at all, you know. It's something for sure that's not gonna, you know, when you go down, you're not gonna scratch your hands and etc. This is really high quality leather, I think, but it may hurt a little bit, you know. It depends how fast you're going, but all in all, I think they're really high quality gloves. They're one thing about them, they're really tight, I would say, you know. If you want to order these gloves, I would recommend going maybe one size bigger than you normally wear. These are size small, and they're perfect for me, you know, and they are gonna stretch a little bit after time, I assume. Yeah, I really like the gloves. Like I said, airflow is just amazing. The comfort of it, you don't really feel like you have big motorbike gloves on your hands when you ride with these gloves. Absolutely amazing, you know. Like I said, this is how it looks like when you get them. This is the package. They are attached to this, you know, these things, but you can take them off of there without damaging anything, you know, and try them out and return them if you want. Yeah, they're great gloves, I think. This is one thing that I'm concerned about. This is gonna wear out really fast, I think, because they're really tight on your wrist. Yeah, they're like I said, they're really tight. Even if you can't close that after time, I think you can. They will sit on your hand really well. Yeah. Like I said, this is my humble opinion on it. I'm not sponsored for it at all. One thing for electric unicycle riders, if you want to run some kind of wrist guards on your hand with these gloves, it's not gonna happen probably. They're really tight, like I said. I usually don't wear them. I'm delivery guy, you know. I'm riding in the city the whole time, not really going fast, and I have a lot of stops, you know. And this is why I bought these gloves, because I want some kind of protection for my hands, you know, for sure. But I don't want to have, you know, big bulky gloves on my hand and sweat all the time. Yesterday it was 30 degrees Celsius, you know, in Vienna, Austria, and I couldn't take take these gloves off after 2 hours of riding because I was sweating like crazy. Yeah, great gloves for the summer if you're not going really fast on the highway. I think for the city they are perfect for motorbike and for riding electric unicycles also for sure. Yeah, I got these gloves for about 90 euros, I think, with shipping. You know, this is the price you have to expect in Europe. Now, yeah, maybe you can find them a little bit cheaper. Even I got them from Germany, and I'm in Austria, you know, and like I said, 90 euros with shipping. Yeah, great gloves. If you want to order them, like I said, alpinestars SMX 1 version 2 air version, yeah, for summer. Great gloves.